Hey guys, it's day 6 on our vacation in Italy, and today you will see unboxing of my gears, what I use and how I use it. Not only this will be a series of unboxing, but it will be a series of presentations of the gear I am using, so make sure to watch it. So you know how to pick up your gear, the best value for the best money, as well as to avoid to make mistakes, because I will show you also what I was picking wrong inside of my gear. And this will be a special unboxing and presentation because I will do it. I'll show you. Come.
When you want to put vlogging on the next level, this is what you need to know. Vlogging is challenging, especially the daily vlogging. Creating a story, or at least to pick the main and hopefully interesting theme, it's up to you, up to the creator. But I can help you to choose the equipment you need to have. When your budget is tight, there is no problem. In following episodes, I'll show you the basic vlogging kit under $600, which is approximately 500 euros. This kit is super versatile. You can equip any of its parts in a matter of seconds, so you'll be ready for any situation. Plus, I'll give you the links to all tools and guide to setting up your camera for vlogging, so the only two buttons you'll be operating will be the record button and the exposure.
So much for the recording of the unboxing gear, and you will see the video of me driving by the camera and creating a video which will be cut on my phone. And there's the phone holder for the tripod.
It takes scouting for locations, exploring for interesting sets, examining the light conditions, and this takes sometimes only few minutes. You need to stay sharp and ready to holster your camera and shoot. It is even more challenging when you are shooting with the crew, like I do with my family, and they are mainly uncooperative. But challenges are here to be conquered, like this random meeting with squirrels.
Anyway, driving on the skateboard and recording yourself isn't that complicated, so I believe that if I managed to learn to so at least drive the skateboard and record myself as someone is doing, it is not complicated at all, and you can do it as well. And another shot. Watching in the LCD, I need to wear sunglasses. And here's the tripod once again. Tripod, camera, me, and Panasonic G7. If you want to start vlogging and you really are tight on the budget, make sure to use anything you have in your possession, even calculator. I have approximately 8 minutes left on my card. It's fully stacked with the vacation vlog from Italy, and I'm still staring at the LCD, so don't look at me strange. Here's the tripod. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, learn from it as much as you can, and watch oral episodes. Some of them are fun, some of them are very beginners wise, so see how we progress. Ciao.